Hi guys, in previous videos I showed you some overview about different reports of Financial Unlimited. This is the report panel. You can see there are different types of reports. We have grouped. The important one is financial reports. If you click financial report, you will see all of the related financial reports like journal, general ledger, trial balance, profit and loss statement, and balance sheet. Then we have grouped the user rights and permission report. There are two reports inside user rights and permission, user log, user rights. Similarly, all reports are grouped with some relevant report, sale report, transfer report, inventory reports, summary report, and general report. Now, in this video, I would show you in detail how you can run financial reports, okay? If you see in financial report, first report is chart of account. You want to see the chart of account of this particular organization which have been set up in Financial Unlimited. You need to click the view report button now over here. Okay. Okay, you can see this is the chart of account report over here. You can export it, customize it, whatever you want, you can do it. Okay. Now, if you want to run journal report in financial report, you would need to click view reports in journal. You need to give the time frame. You need to give from date and to date. I'm gonna give from date 2009 January. Okay, now I'm gonna click OK. If you have want to track or filter out transaction with respect to classes, you can use the classes, and if you want all accounts or specific accounts, you can click all accounts or specific account. If you don't select, then it would bring all of your transactions. Okay, now I'm gonna click OK. Okay, see in few seconds you would see all of your financial transaction data in journal. Okay, it's the date range I gave 1st of January 2009 to 31st of October 2016, and during this period all of the transactions have been brought in this report from by the Financial Unlimited, and you can see over here it says that total debit and total credits are equal. And if you go down further down, it says 63 pages over here. This report was basically this basically is for 63 pages. Now, if you want to see the general ledger report, you need to click the general ledger report view report button. You need to give the time range similar the way you did in general. Click OK. I'm gonna give the same time range. If you want to filter out by classes, you can choose classes. I don't want because I haven't selected any classes. And if you want all accounts, then you can select all, or if you want specific account journal, then you can general ledger, then you can select specific account general ledger. If you don't select anything, then it will bring all of the general ledger account or GL accounts in set up in your chart of account. Okay, now I'm going to click this. Okay, see in few seconds it brought up all the different journal, and if you go down and you can see the total debit and total credit of all of the general ledger account are same. It means that all the transaction entered in Financial Unlimited was done correctly. As principally these are, these transactions are correct. Now you can see other reports as well, like trial balance, profit and loss. Similarly, I'm going to click the trial balance. I want to give the time range for trial balance. Same time, want to give the same time range right from the beginning of my company. Okay, I'm gonna select this. Now see in couple of seconds, less than a couple of seconds, you see the whole trial balance, the total debit and credit over here. This is debit and this is credit. Total is equal. Okay. Now again, if I want to run the profit and loss report, I'm going to click in. If I want to give the same time range for this report as well, then you would, okay, now it asks average method life of FIFO. Okay, now this is there are two types of inventory tracking. One is perpetual, one is periodic. This report is for periodic, then there is no it doesn't matter what method you choose. But if you are choosing the perpetual method, then you would have to select this one as well, and the balance sheet should, whatever method you select over here, the balance sheet in balance sheet you need to select these method, the same method, otherwise your report would not bring the same result. Okay, in this case this is periodic report, that is why we don't need to select whatever, it is better to select average one. Now I'm going to click OK. I'm not going to track any classes. See, in few seconds the whole report is you can see the whole report is you can see over here the whole report is done now by Financial Unlimited. Similarly, if you go and generate the balance sheet report, you need to click the balance sheet. I'm gonna give now the balance sheet in Financial Unlimited and other reports. This is a very unique thing in Financial Unlimited. In other reports, you cannot give from date in balance sheet. You would have to give the only they just ask to date, not from date, because they does not allow user to give cut-off date for their opening balances. Here in Financial Unlimited, it's a unique thing. No other system in the world does this, that you can give the cut-off date as well over here. For instance, if you give the cut-off date as of 1st of October 2016, or I'm gonna give the cut-off date 2015 January 1st, then the report automatically would bring all the profit and losses to retained earning before this date, and after that would bring the current period profit or loss. Otherwise, in other systems, they generate report as per financial period which you have set up in your during setup of your organization in their system. But in Financial Unlimited, you can generate balance sheet for 1 day, 1 month, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, whatever you want. Okay, but in other systems you can't do that, because they do it. They don't allow you to give the cut-off date, because their structure is limited, and they can't build that kind of report. Okay, this is the unique thing about Financials Unlimited. Now, if you click this, I'm gonna give the cut-off date by 29th of January 1st. Okay, now I don't want to, I select the average method over here, because when I generated the profit and loss report, I selected average method. Now I'm gonna click OK. This is the rounding. I put rounding onto 0, and it is hierarchy is up. Okay, now see, the report has been generated. Now you can see the net asset. See over here, net assets must equal to net equity over here. These are equal. These are the financial reports which you can generate from Financials Unlimited. Hopefully you understand how you can generate different type of financial reports in detail in Financial Unlimited. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye.